Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of DAX Sundays. In today's video, we are going to discuss one very special DAX function. Even I haven't used it earlier before making my last video on Microsoft Power BI updates. This DAX function is very important whenever you need to return a column name or a measure. In that case, you can use this DAX function, and the name of this DAX function is NAMEOF. So in today's video, we are going to discuss everything about it. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. NAMEOF DAX function is going to return the name of a column or a measure. The syntax is pretty simple. Over here you can see that name of, and then you have to provide the value of your column or a measure, where value is going to be any fully qualified column or measure reference. It's going to return you a single string value, which is going to be a scalar value. In my recent video where I have explained the top 3 updates from May 2022, I have already explained how you can use the field parameters, and that's the case study for this one. So how you can use it? Well, let's take first very simple example where we are going to return a column value. For that, I'll come in under my fields pane. Over here, I'm going to create a new measure under this store table. In the containers name measure, what I want to return, I just want to return the name of the contained column. For that, I can use NAMEOF DAX function, which you can see over here. And then I have to just write down my column name. So let me see over here, continent. And here under the store table, we have this column name continent, and just hit the enter button over here. Now, in order to visualize this, you have multiple options. You can visualize this in a table or maybe in a card because it's a single column. So let's see with the table, and let me locate my measure, which is here, continent name. And here you can see that it's returning store continent, which is my column name from the store table. For that, you have to come under this modeling tab. And here you would find this tab, new parameters. You can select this fields one, which is going to adjust the fields used to build visuals or reference in DAX. So I'm going to click over here. Here you can give it a name. I'll just call it my dynamic axis. And then you can select the fields. And for the fields, I'm going to select again the continent. And then I'm going to select the store name over here. So let's select only 2. If you would like to rename it, you can just click over here. You can do that. And if you want to remove it, just click on the cross button and you can remove them. Here also, I have checked this option, add slices to the page, so that it's very convenient for me to show you or visualize the data. So just click on create button. Now you would see there is a slicer over here. Now, if you would like to format this slicer, you can do that. It's up to you. So now I would like to visualize my sales per continent and store name. In order to visualize the sales, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this clustered column chart. Let's click over here. You can expand this. Now let's select sales amount. And now what I have to do, I have to go for my dynamic axis, which is over here, and select this dynamic axis in the axis field. That's all you need to do. By default, it's going to select both the fields, and if you would see there, all the fields have been selected from your slicer. That means all the values has been selected from your slicer. And if you would like to expand it, you can expand, and it's going to show you continent and the store name. But we don't want to do that. So what you can do, you can just select 1 by 1, 2. These are your store names, and if you would go one step up, it's your continent name. Or alternatively, you can select over here store names. These are going to appear your store names. If you want to visualize the continent name, it's going to appear here as well. So from this NAMEOF DAX function, what we have learned so far, if you would like to return a value of a column or a measure, then you can use it. And the best use case for this one would be to apply in the field parameters in Power BI reports. Please let me know, guys, if you have any concern or question related to this DAX function. And for more videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest Power BI updates and videos. See you in the next video.